Go on, leave! Get out!
But I didn't do anything.
Next!
Hello.
You think you can get soup? Please, you're wasting everyone's time.
I don't want soup. I can make my own soup. 5 cups chopped porcini mushrooms, half a cup of olive oil, 3 pounds celery.
That is my recipe for wild mushroom.
Yeah, that's right. I got 'em all. Cold cucumber, corn and crab chowder, mulligatawny.
Mulligatawny.
You're through, soup Nazi. Back it up. No more soup for you.
Jerry, what is it? Something happened to the soup Nazi.
Well, what is the matter?
Elaine's down there causing all kinds of commotion. Somehow she got a hold of his recipes, and she says she's going to drive him out of business. The soup Nazi says that now that his recipes are out, he's not going to make any more soup. He's moving out of the country, moving to Argentina. No more soup, Jerry. No more for any of us.
Where are you going?
He's giving away what's left. I got to go home and get a big pot.